Welcome back to day 8 of painting cats from my local cat cafe, the Kitty Cat Cafe, and today I am painting Bambi. Bambi is of course the 8th cat that I've painted so far, so we're halfway done with the painting. I haven't actually talked about the painting so far. The canvas itself is a 50 by 50 centimeter canvas and it's 4 rows of 4 cats to make the 16 cats. It's also completely painted in acrylic paint, which is my favourite medium to paint in. But anyway, back to Bambi. Bambi is the true boss of the cafe. She parades around like she owns the place. And she is a massive gorgeous ball of fluff with the most perfect blue eyes, as you can see I'm painting right now. She's actually the only cat in the cafe that has the blue eyes, and they were so fun to paint. It was such a nice change to be painting blue eyes. You'll see just how much these eyes stand out at the end of the painting. I'm just finishing up here with some highlights as always and some whiskers, and then the final thing, here it is, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.